Is inflation directly proportional to the price of real estate in Nepal? Namaste, मेरो नाम again. This is Bond Brokerage, and to know if inflation बढ्दाखेरि नेपालको real estate prices motivate हुन्छ कि depressed हुन्छ भनेर, we firstly have to understand the basics of inflation. So, in case you don't know, shortly, inflation is a gradual loss of purchasing power that is reflected in a broad rise in prices of goods and services over time. अर्थात् पैसाको पर्चेजिङ पावर किन्ने शक्ति कम हुनु एउटा बढिरहेको समय अन्तर्गत हामीले एउटा बेसिक कुरा के बुझ्छौँ भन्दाखेरि इन्फ्लेसन इज अ साइन अफ ए हेल्दी इकोनोमी तर टु मच इन्फ्लेसन इज कन्सिडर्ड ब्याड द गैम्बिट बिङ 3 to 4% inflation in an economy is considered alright. Anything over 5 or 6% is considered to be unhealthy. And not to forget, low inflation is also considered a bad thing for an economy. So let's now dive into the prices of real estate in Nepal. Out of all odds, out of all the backlashes, inflation being on the top of a horse, the real estate prices in Nepal have significantly been on a gradual uphill ride. So to sum it up, inflation has always been directly proportional to the price of real estate anywhere, not just in Nepal. Inflation जति बढ्दै जान्छ, जग्गा जमिनको मूल्य पनि उसै गरी बढ्दै जान्छ. In terms of Nepal, I don't think the market will ever run out. It might slow down, but South Asia being the next dominant economy and Nepal being in between of two giant economies, I think we will never run out of fuel. And the real estate market of Nepal will flourish further. Spring has not hit yet. Thank you for your time. This is Bond Brokerage. मेरो नाम again. I specify on investments. If you would like to invest on our projects, in our land developments, do reach out to Bond Brokerage to buy, sell, or invest. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and have a good time.